A very good morning to the dignitaries on the days and off the days, members of the press, and my dear friends. Well, on behalf of CDFG, that is called as Computer Dealers Forum of Goa, along with our title sponsor, TrueView, who is represented by Mr. Ashish Somani, is here to welcome each and everyone for the GTech Multiverse Technology Show. CDFG had organized a similar technological show somewhere in the year 2019. And you must remember now, from 2019 to 2023, there is a vast changes in the way we interact with each other. Technology has become the most useful tool, be it for students, for parents, for the industries, for the government, non-governmental organizations, and things have changed drastically. So what does this CDFG's GTech Expo is organized for the reasons? Well, though we have a lot of computer dealers in Goa representing different brands, by organizing such an expo, it helps and motivates, and it also helps to interact with various multinational brands who offer us the exposure to the latest technologies, and it becomes also a very good opportunity for the general public, for the students, the institutions to be present and take and be enlightened on the technologies that are presently in vogue. CDFG was formed in the year 2015, and within the last 8 years, they have progressed to perform very awesomely in their field, respective field, and we have also taken care that we meet our social obligations too by organizing seminars, workshops, various institutions, various colleges, and for our members of the IT fraternity too. So it makes us as a partner with all such members related to the IT fraternity, and to take our issues also with the government so as to bring about some solutions pertaining to critical issues with respect to how we can interact with the government too and help them in moving forward with the policies of the government. Apart from organizing activities, this time we thought that let us go a step ahead and plan something big. Bring more multinational companies connected with India, connected with international brands, and also keeping in mind that we are into this Make in India movement or the digital movement or digital India that we speak. So it can boost our progress in the IT field. So let me welcome once again each one of you and be present for the wonderful GTech Technology Show, which will be showcased on 6th and 7th of October 2023, that is on Friday and Saturday. And concluding my welcome, I request Yogesh to hand over the mic to our guest.
Press briefing was so that you people through your media, your channels publish this news, and so that many people get informed about this event and participate in this event. Let me also inform that this entry to this event is totally, absolutely free of cost. The students can come and see, witness. We have slots for the students as well in the morning. So these students can come and see and witness the latest technologies, the trends that are developing in the technological world, in the information technology industry of India. Okay, as well as the industry can see what are the products or what are the new innovative Make in India initiatives that companies, IT companies in India have taken. Those will be exhibited. So the industry can see, have a look at those products, the new technological development, as well as government people sector also. There are a lot of innovations that are happening in the government sector when it comes to e-governance or when it comes to a lot of things digital, these services that are being digitalized. So these companies that are coming, exhibiting their products and their services in our exhibition, let me tell you that, let me inform you that the response for this particular event is awesome, and almost all the stalls have been booked, and more than us, the industry is looking forward to exhibit their talent, their products to the media, to the general public as a whole, like not just the industry, the academia, and to the general public. Because we have moved from being, now the technology in everybody's pocket. Okay, so your smartphone does everything for you. Okay, so that's the main focus of our experience. The expo was to ensure that this technology, which is alien to some of the people, okay, the newer technologies is introduced to the general public. So one such partner that we have been working with over the last few days to get this event together and make this event a grand success is TrueView. As you can see, the GTech logo has TrueView logo also embedded in the Expo logo. So TrueView is our title sponsor. So, and this TrueView is represented by Mr. Ashish Somani, who is on the dais here. Mr. Somani is a well-experienced person in the IT industry. So we are glad, we are very happy that TrueView chose to partner with us. And we, in all the Computer Dealers Forum of Goa, we extend a very warm, first of all, a thank you, and then also a welcome into the IT industry. So moving ahead, I would request Mr. Ashish Somani, the director of TrueView, to please express his views about the IT industry in Goa and what he sees the potential in the Expo, as well as the future of IT industry in Goa and his choice of partnering with us.
Thank you, Yogesh. Good afternoon to all members of the press. On behalf of TrueView team, I thank you for coming here or partnering with Computer Dealers Forum of Goa and this event, GTech. I thank you, Mr. Simon, Mr. Venkatesh, Mr. Hitesh and his team for giving us an opportunity to get associated with CDFG and be a part of this event. See, Goa is now growing high in terms of GDP. I mean, if we look at the GDP in the year 22-23, it was 91,000 crores. Now it is poised to take a leap of 10.3% growth with a GDP of 1 lakh crore plus. So definitely Goa is growing, Goa is very promising. The second thing is Goa government spends a lot in terms of health and education, thereby producing a quality manpower. And now the technology is growing and the technology needs quality manpower. So the manpower in Goa is going to really give a boost to this business. When we were communicating with the team about this GTech exhibition, we found that, I mean, the core essence of this exhibition is technology, be it in IoT, be it in security, be it in other fields, be it in audio, video. And through being into this field from the year 2011, we have grown almost by 50% every year. And we know the value of technology. And this gave us a very positive vibe, and this gave us a very sound platform to cooperate with Computer Dealers Forum of Goa. We also were very delighted to see Dr. Chandrakantji Shetty being the chief patron of this event, and his involvement in the ongoing day-to-day activities to make this event a grand one has really given us a boost to take this decision to partner with CDFG. TrueView is going to showcase all of its latest technology in this event, be it CCTV, commercial LCD display products, and video monitors, digital signage. See, Goa is full of opportunities for hospitality industries, and many industries are coming up. So the products which we have are all AI-based CCTV cameras, which most of our IT dealers, the CDFG members are already using. So I request the members of press to please focus on this event, publicize it as much as possible. This is an event wherein everyone can come and have a feel, have a understanding of the technology of tomorrow. So I mean, I was really happy to see that 45 plus members are exhibiting in this exhibition, and believe us, Venkateshji, Mr. Simon, one of the biggest shows that happens in Mumbai that has got stall size of 50 plus odd. You are having 45 plus technology giants coming to your show, and this is really going to make a difference. And I think this is going to be a very big success when it comes to technology. And I urge the members of press to really highlight this, give this event as much of exposure as possible. Regarding the growth story of Goa, as I have already elaborated, this is going to give a boost to the local dealers, distributors, because tomorrow's products are all about AI-based products, and they are a very good quality manpower is required for that, which Goa, I am sure, is having that. And with this, I will conclude, and I will urge again all of members of the press to please highlight this event and make it a grand success. Thank you.
Yeah, October 6 आणि 7 तारखेर, that is on Friday and Saturday. सो मागता सगळ्या लोकांकडे की त्यांनी ह्या इव्हेंटाचो पुरेपूर फायदो घेवचो. ह्या इव्हेंटाक नवे नवे इन्फॉर्मेशन टेक्नॉलॉजी रिलेटेड प्रोडक्ट्स आणि सर्विसीस डिस्प्ले केले वयतले. प्रामुख्यान म्हटल्यार CCTV सर्वेलन्स, इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स ऑन थिंग्स, ओके, IoT, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्स, रोबोटिक्स, असले हे नवीन नवीन जे फिल्ड्स आसा त्या फिल्डांतले कंपनीज 45 कंपनीज ह्या इव्हेंटाक येवपाचे आसा, आणि 45 स्टॉल्स आमचे फूल बुक्ड आसा. आणि त्या 45 स्टॉलांनी प्रत्येक कंपनी, हे कंपनीज इंडियाचे आसा प्लस मल्टीनॅशनली कंपनीज हांगा येवपाचे आसा. सगळे स्टॉल्स फूल आसा. सो ह्या प्रोग्रामाचो स्कुलाच्या भुरग्यांनी, इंडस्ट्रीच्या लोकांनी आणि जनरल पब्लिकान येवन तेजो एक्सपिरियन्स, फर्स्ट हँड एक्सपिरियन्स घेवचो आणि पळोवचो की हे जे प्रोडक्ट्स जे डिस्प्ले केले वयतले ते आपल्या जिवनान, आपल्या बिझनसान आणि आपल्या प्रोफेशनान, किंवा आपण जे जाग्यार जे काम करता, गव्हर्मेंट सेक्टर आसा जाल्यार गव्हर्नन्सान ताजो कसो फायदो जातलो ते तुमी हांगा येवन प्रत्यक्षान डेमो घेवन मागीर इम्प्लिमेंट करपाक शकतले. कित्याक वी आर ऑन द वर्ज, कित्याक पयलींचो इवन आमचो बिझनस सुद्दां पयलीं आमी कशें करताले आमी लॅपटॉप विकताले, पेन ड्रायव्ह विकताले किंवा आनी प्रोडक्ट्स विकताले. पूण आतां आमचो बिझनस सुद्दां इवॉल्व जावन वी आर मोर टुवर्ड्स सोल्युशन सेलिंग. म्हणजे आमी आतां कितें प्रॉब्लम आसा, कसोय प्रॉब्लम आसूं, वेदर इट मे बी यू नेम एनी इंडस्ट्री, हॉटेल इंडस्ट्री आसूं, ट्रान्सपोर्ट इंडस्ट्री आसूं किंवा कसलीय इंडस्ट्री आसा, IT प्लेज अ व्हेरी क्रुशियल रोल. IT सगळ्याचो बॅकबोन जाला. इवन तुमी प्रेस सुद्दां तुमी पळयला आसतलें की पयलींचो प्रेस कशें चलताले आनी आतांचे प्रेस कितले इजी आनी फास्ट जाल्ले आसा. IT इंडस्ट्रीक लागून खुबशे रेवल्युशन. IT इज अ backbone of any industry that you will see. So keeping that in mind, we wanted to exhibit कितें नवीन जे प्रोडक्ट्स आसा ते लोकां मुखार हाडपाक लागून आमकां एक उमेद आसली आनी ते उमेदी फाटल्यान आमी हो इव्हेंट ऑर्गनायज केल्लो. 2019 आमी इव्हेंट केल्लो वास्कोन, जेन्ना आमकां भरपूर बरो रिस्पॉन्स आसलेलो. कितलेशे लोक स्टुडंट्स म्हण किंवा इंडस्ट्री म्हण सगळे येवन पळोवन गेले आनी एक्चुली तो आमचो एक हे कसो आसलो, म्हणजे टेस्टिंग इव्हेंट. म्हणजे पळोवया तरी कितें जाता. तो इव्हेंटाक इतलो सक्सेस मेळ्ळो आनी त्या सक्सेसान मदीं आमकां कोविडान मातशें आमकां हें जालें आनी आमकां मातशें सेटबॅक जालो आनी मातशें फाटीं घेवचें पडलें. परत आमी आतां 2023 एकठांय येवन आमी चिंतलें की कितें हे फावटी पणजे करपाचो आनी इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ इन्सिडेंट मॅनेजमेंट प्रगांचा हॉल जे सेंटर ऑफ द सिटी आसा त्या हॉलाचेर आमी हो इव्हेंट आतां ऑर्गनायज करतलो. अशें जर मोटिवेशन जालें जाल्यार हांव आतां उलयतालो आमच्या प्रेसिडेंटाक कितें बरें जर मोटिवेशन एज अ स्केल. इवन आमचो आसा प्रसाद आसा हांगा थंय हांव उलयतालो. स्केल आमकां वाडोवन मे बी आमी श्यामा प्रसाद म्हणटली किंवा बरो रिस्पॉन्स जर आयलो हे फावटी जाल्यार आमी बरो व्हडलो स्केल वाडोवन नेक्स्ट टायम मोटिवेशनान वील डू एट अ ग्रँड स्केल दीस इव्हेंट. येस. सो एक्चुअली आमी रावता शेटे सराक, ताणें सांगलां की पावता म्हणून एक बारीकशें फॉर्मल इनॉग्रेशन करपाचें आसा आनी मागीर तेच्या उपरांत मागीर यू कॅन कन्क्लूड द प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स. हीज कम ऑलरेडी. Okay, so moving ahead, before we Dr. Shete comes in, if any press has any questions technical related, then maybe you can ask so that our this team can answer, and then we will do the formal poster in our.
क्लाउड कंप्युटींग ही जावन आसा. एक्चुली आमच्या नॉर्मल आमी उलयतना क्लाउड म्हणजे बादल, ओके, अशें दिसता. बट क्लाउड म्हणजे एक कनेक्शन ऑफ वेरियस कंप्युटर्स अक्रॉस द ग्लोब ऑन द नेटवर्क. आतां आमी लोकल पेन ड्रायव्ह वा लोकल हार्ड डिस्काचेर आमी डेटा आमचो सेव करून दवरताले. आतां आमकां लोकल स्टोरेज जाची चड यूज जावचें ना. आमचे जो कंप्युटर आतां तुमी सद्या पयला आसतली गुगल, जेन्ना तुमी गुगल ड्रायव्ह म्हणून आसा ताचेर तुमी फायल्स सेव करता ना तुजें आधार कार्ड ऑर फोटोज. सो दॅट वी से दॅट एवरीथींग इज ऑन द क्लाउड. सो ताचेर आमकां एक्सेस करपाक खूब इजी जाता. खंय तूं तुज्या मॅन्युअली तुका स्टोरेज डिवायस पॉकेटान घालून वो बल्सान घालून व्हरपाची गरज ना. सो आतां इंडस्ट्री कितें जालां, सगळी नॉर्मल तूं स्टोरेज स्टोर लोकली दवरता ताचो एक्सपेन्स खूब वाडटा. सो वेन यू कीप युअर डेटा ऑन द क्लाउड जाल्यार तुका एफिशियन्सी मेळटा. तुजो इन्वेस्टमेंट इन फॉर मेंटेनिंग लोकल तुजे इस्टॅब्लिशमेंटाक तुका हार्डवेअर लागता तातूंत तुका सेविंग मेळटा. सो दॅट इज वॉट वी से मेक आवर डेटा क्लाउड बेस्ड डेटा. आनी ह्या विशयाचेर बी आमचो स्टॉल आसा जे पुरी माहिती दितले जे ह्या क्लाउड कंप्युटींग बद्दल.
सर एक्झिबिशना बद्दल जेन्ना आमी उलयता तेन्ना IT टेक्नॉलॉजीची जी अवेरनेस आसा करपाक कितले एक्झिबिशन फायदेशीर जातले दिसता.
ताका एड करता हांव की 10 वर्सां पयलीं आतांचो कितलो डिफरन्स जाला हेका IT म्हणून.
एक 18 वर्सां पयलीं एक एक्झिबिशन जातालें ई-कॅप म्हणून, ओके. सो ह्या ई-कॅपान खुबशे तरेचे लोक आनी नॉर्मल लोकल डिलर आमचे पार्टिसिपेट करताले. आनी त्या टायमार सावन मागीर सायबरेज एक स्कीम आयली आनी मागीर मातशे IT आमचे जे डिलर आसले ते मातशे एफेक्ट जालो जाता. पूण आतां वन्स अगेन आफ्टर कोवीड वी हॅव सीन दॅट जे एक्सपोजान आमी आतां न्यू टॅक्नॉलॉजीज लोकल मनशाक ऑर इंडस्ट्री ऑर बिजनेस हाउसेस in related to various forms of basically work, that will be a very interesting way to help this expo to tell people, see now there are new technologies, we can start believing in that. And we bring this opportunity. So, हातून आता कितले डिफरन्स जाला, आदले आमी कशे कंप्युटिंग करताले आनी ते आतां कंप्युटिंग आमचें कशें जातलें हाचेर ह्या एक्सपोचो मेन हेतू आसा.
Digitech Expo, Ms. Dr. Janaka Shetty, out of the days. Can we have a big round of applause?
Please accept another.
Asia Association which was registered in 2015, more than 100 members are there for this and they are having an event on 6th and 7th at Menezes Braganza Hall, and the event timing will be from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Now in this event there are around 45 companies which will be participating. Now what is the advantage of this? Advantage for the people can come directly and see the exhibition. They can see the new devices which are coming up. They can have a hands-on understood. They can have a face-to-face interaction with the company people, so that to understand their product, they can understand the product in a very simplified way. And the companies which are going to participate, for them, the thing is that they can get a lead. Basically, companies are participating what? Just they want the market. So many companies are there in the market. Some companies are well known, some companies are not that well known. But any company to come up in the market, to build their brand, ultimately they want the market. Now, whenever there is an exhibition, there are a lot of people are definitely going to come the way we are organized. And thanks to the Computer Dealer Forum, who have been, taken so much trouble for last more than a month to get organized things, everything. I think they had before COVID, you all had one, no?
Yeah,
in 2008.
yes.
After that, after COVID, they didn't have. So this is the first time after COVID they are having. So these companies who will be participating, for them they will get lot of customers. Now through this customer they can find out the lead. They can display their product. They can, make this product, this thing, understand to the people, explain about their products. Now with all these things, what will happen? If you go to see, down the line what we are going, we are all like for anything automation required. Like schooling or in school also, so many things have changed. Coding and robotics have started. Everything has been digitalized. Like for any business, as a doctor I am telling you, 20 years back when I started practice, we used to have, for every patient we used to write on a paper and all. Now it is not like that. Everything is, digitalized. Full, whenever a patient enters in my OPD, before he comes, I have to just press his name or his number and I get the full detail of his history. Forget getting this history on that day. My assistant which has seen. The previous sister, how many times he has come. Now that has simplified our job. Basically in a hospital, like I'll tell you, MRD and all, medical record department is a big headache. And as the hospital goes on expanding, as the year pass, the volume, the place they used to occupy to store those medical records, it is like too much, it was voluminous. It is not there nowadays. And legally you have to keep this medical record for 6 years. And if it is a MLC, medical legal case and all, then you have to keep it for lifelong. So it becomes relevant. All with this digitization, computerization, all with these new technologies, these things have reduced. And this computerization not only help in hospital, for every businesses, whether it is accounting, whether for example, even in our politics also, to have a database of our voters, this is required. Like sending a mass messages to our voters during Ganesh Chaturthi, Diwali. This is all that help. So many times what happened, there are so many people who can afford to do this, who have spending capacity, but they are unaware of the technology. Exhibition, this type of exhibition, especially these computer dealers, which they are having a GTEC exhibition. This will help them. They will get the solution. Plus, in this exhibition, they will have so many. Nowadays, the second thing is at your home or office having a CCTV cameras and all. These associations, we will get to meet so many dealers who are good, in putting those all surveillance system and all. Third thing, there are new products which are coming. We are like, used to that old computer screen and all. It is not like that. Now there are updated versions are coming, hardware, new software are coming. So all in one, we Goan people will be lucky to have such exhibition. My only request to people and the industry, especially to people, please visit this exhibition. You will definitely, get benefited. At least to know about the product. Forget about buying. Such exhibition, sometimes the sale is not direct. Most of the time in exhibition, the sale is indirect. I mean, they will visit this thing and then they will take a lead or a card they will take, and whenever when they have some need, they will call that certain dealers. So I think Yogesh and their full team has, I think, explained about the stalls and all, no? Okay. ITG as a corporation, being as a chairman, we fully support this exhibition. ITG Infotech Corporation of Goa. आम्ही फुल्ली सपोर्ट करता. आम्ही आमचे स्टॉल्सय घेतलेले आसा आणि सो सगळे आम्ही सपोर्ट करतले. लोकांक म्हजो रिक्वेस्ट आसा की ह्या एक्झिबिशनान तांकां खुबशी एडवांटेज जातली. स्पेशली एडवांटेज जातली, नवे इक्विपमेंट पळोवपाक जातले, हँड्स ऑन जातले, फेस टू फेस इंटरेक्शन जातले. खुबशे फावटी आज लोकांक कितें जाला, दे गो ऑनलायन एंड दे सी द प्रॉडक्ट आनी तांकां प्रॉडक्टाचे फूल डिटेल मेळपाक, सी फेस टू फेस इज डेफिनेटली बेटर. सो ते तांकां खूब मेळटले. ही जे कंप्युटर डीलर फोरम आमकां ITG दे हेल्प अस इन, आमकां खूब ते हेल्प करतात. आमी ITG जेन्ना खंयचोय प्रोजेक्ट घेता तेन्ना तांचो आमकां खूब हातभार आसता. ते प्रोजेक्ट तो सारको करता. आनी फॉरगेट, हे फक्त तुका प्रॉडक्ट दिनात, पूण ते फुडें मेंटेनन्स म्हणात नाजाल्यार ताचें सर्विसींग म्हणात, ते सगळे ते करीत असतात. सो दे डू रियल, ते खरेंच बरें काम करतात. आणि हांव मागता आमच्या गोंयच्या लोकांक सगळ्यांक, स्पेशली यंगस्टर्स, की तुमी हे एक्झिबिशनाक न चुकता प्लीज विजीट करात ह्या एक्झिबिशनाक. तुमकां खरेंच नवे पळोवपाक जातले. आज काळाची गरज आसा. ही टॅक्नॉलॉजी आज खूब इम्पॉर्टंट आसा. आज ते पयलीं सारके दीस उरोवंक ना. आज रोज नवे कितें येता. फक्त आमकां टायमा बरोबर रन करपाची गरज आसा. आनी हे असोसिएशन हे सगळे असले काम बरें काम करता. खुबशे फावटी कितें आसता, बिजनेसीस ते आपल्या बिजनेसाच पुरती आसतात. कोण असं एक्झिबिशन करना, पण एक्झिबिशनाची गरज आसता. एक तर कितें आसता, खुबशे फावटी जो कंपनी सपोज म्हजो एक स्टॉल आसा जाल्यार म्हाका म्हज्याच प्रॉडक्टा बद्दल खबर आसता. पूण जर खूब स्टॉल आसले जाल्यार हांव बाकीच्या स्टॉला कडेन वचून तांच्याय प्रॉडक्टाची हांव खबर घेवपाक शकता. एक प्लॅटफॉर्म गावतलो, खंय सगळे कंप्युटर तुमकां जे ताच्या प्रॉडक्टांची तुमकां एका प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर ही सगळी तुमकां खबर मेळटली. सो असो म्हाका दिसता इव्हेंट आमचो, हांव ITG चेअरमॅन जाल्ल्याक पयलेच टायम जाता. सो म्हजे तांकां विशीस आसा, सपोर्टूय आसा तांकां, म्हजो तांकां फूल सपोर्ट आसता. तुमी लोकांनी ताचो जितलो जर बरो ताका प्रतिसाद दिशात जाल्यार तांकां वर्साच्या वर्सा करपाक बरो जातलो, तांकां बरें दिसतलें. आनी आमी रायट डायरेक्शनान वता हें आमकां हें असोसिएशन दाखयता. देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. सो हांव सगळ्या रिक्वेस्ट करता प्रेसाक की 6 तारखेक सांजचे 3 इनॉग्रेशन आसतलें. तुमकां ते इन्फॉर्म करतले. आमचे गोंय राज्याचे मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंतय आसतले, हांवूय आसतलो, आनी आमचे IT मिनिस्टर रोहन खंवटे सरय आसतले, ह्या इनॉग्रेशनाक आसतले. तुमी सगळ्यांनी मुद्दाम येवपाचे. आनी तुमकां रिक्वेस्ट करता प्रेसाक सगळ्याक की हाका वायड पब्लिसिटी दिवपाची, सो दॅट जास्तीत जास्त लोकांनी ह्या हाका एक्झिबिशनाक येवन ताचो फायदो घेवपाचो.
इतलो इम्पॉर्टंट आसा जे यंग जनरेशनाक हे हितून IT जे इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळटली तेंकां
ह्या यंग जनरेशनाक स्पेशली हे जेन्ना सगळे इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळटले, थोड्या यंग जनरेशनाक हांची आवड आसतली आनी तांच्यांनी फुडलो आपलो करियर करचो की ना हें ठरो येता. खुबश्या जाणांक कितें आसता, करियर करच्या पयलीं पळोवचें आसता. सो तांच्यांनी हे जशे सगळे प्रॉडक्ट पळयले, आज जर तुमी पळयल्यात आमच्या गोंयांत भुरगे, थोड्या भुरग्यांनी रोबोटीक प्रोजेक्ट केल्यात, 8वे 9वेच्या भुरग्यांनी प्रोजेक्ट केल्ले आसा आनी तांकां खूब दे हॅव रिप्रेझेंटेड गोवा एंड एट द नॅशनल लेवल रिप्रेझेंट केल्ली आसा. सो ह्या हितून तांकां हे प्रॉडक्ट पळोवन तुमकां खूब जातली, एका प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर मेळटले प्रॉडक्ट पळोवपाक आमकां.
इंडिया आतां सुरू वयता डिजिटलायझेशन.
येस.
गोंयांत केन्ना हे अपग्रेड जावंक शकता?
पळय, डिजिटलायझेशन आमी चडशा गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसांनी आमी डिजिटलायझेशन घेतलां. म्हाका दिसता 2च दीस तुमी पयलीं आयकलां आसतलें, आर्किव डिपार्टमेंटाचे पोर्तुगीज टायमाचे बी जे सगळे पेपर आसात ते डिजिटलायझेशन करता. प्लॅनिंग स्टॅटिस्टीक डिपार्टमेंटान आमचें काम चालू आसा. सो खुबशे इनफॅक्ट आमकां सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटान फंड दिला फक्त डिजिटलायझेशन हें करपाक. गोव्यान एकूच जो आमकां लॅकिंग आसा विच आय एग्री इज द IT इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर. सो IT इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर खातीर आमकां IT हॅबिटेटाची आमची जागा आसा दोना पावला. आमचें कॉर्पोरेशन दे आर ट्रायींग अवर बेस्ट की ती जागा IT कंपनीक हे करून आफोवन तांकां दिवन PPP मोडाचेर करपाची. ऑलरेडी ताच्या खातीर आमी KPMG म्हणून एक कंपनी आसा जी ट्राजेक्टरी एडवायझरी म्हणून आमी अपॉयंट सुद्दां केल्ली आसा आनी दे आर वर्कींग ऑन इट. कशें आमी हे IT फुडलें करतले ते.
एक कडेन डिजिटलायझेशन वयता आनी एक कडेन करतल्या भुरग्यांक नेटाचो खूब प्रॉब्लम जायत आसा, ताका केन्ना सुदारता जातली?
नेटाचो प्रॉब्लेम खूब आसा. आमी जे आतां अंदू आमचें डिपार्टमेंट IT डिपार्टमेंट, दीस इज नॉट कॉर्पोरेशन ITचे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर पळयता. IT डिपार्टमेंट नेट अपग्रेड करपाक जाय म्हणूनय काम चालू आसा. तुका तांचें काम चालू आसा. इनफॅक्ट तुका ते फायबर जे हे आसता ते टेंडरय म्हाका दिसता आवट जाल्ले आसा IT डिपार्टमेंटा कडल्यान. तुमकां खबर आसतली टेंडर आवट जाल्ले आसा तुका. सो वन्स दॅट सगळें काम जालें न्ही काय मागीर जातलें. पयलींचें म्हाका दिसता काम UTL कंपनीन केल्लें, दे हॅव बीन डिसकनेक्टेड आनी द न्यू थिंग इट बी टेंडर हे केलां अपलोड केल्लें आसा.
सध्या मोबायलाची जमानो आसा. मोबायलान जायत्यो वस्तू घाल्ल्यात.
हय.
कॅमेरा घालो जायत्यो. कॉम्प्युटराक कितें चॅलेंज आसा? कॉम्प्युटर्स आनी हार्डवेरा खातीर मोबायलाची ती खंयच्या दृश्टीकोनांतल्यान पळयता मोबायलाची चॅलेंज?
पळय, मोबायलान आतां तूं आतांच तशें तुवेंनच सांगलां सगळे हे कॅमेरा बी घाल्ले, तशें मोबायल हे करतलोच, कळ्ळें न्ही. सो त्याच खातीर असले एक्झिबिशन बी जाले न्ही ही सगळी अपग्रेड करची गरज आसा. कोणी जर कंपिटिशनाक आज रावतलो जाल्यार दुसऱ्याक कमी करपाचें ना. कंप्युटर जे आसा तांच्यांनी आनीक अपग्रेड करपाक जाय. सो इट इज अ बेसिकली जो अपग्रेड जाता जो फुडें रावता तो एक्सेप्ट करता. आज मोबायल इतले नवे नवे वर्जन येता की पीपल प्रिफर दॅट. हँडी पडटा तुका, बॉल्सांत घेवन वचत आनी सगळी ऑल इन वन काम जाता. आज एक टायम प्रत्येकाच्या हातीन घडयाळ आसले, आज थोड्यांच्याच हातीन घडयाळ आसा. कित्याक ना? तर यू जस्ट प्रेस युअर दिस थिंग एंड यू गेट द टायम. सो इट इज ऑल लायक दॅट. सो यू हॅव टू कम्पीट वीथ दॅट. सो दीस कंप्युटर तेच सांगलें त्या डिलर्स असोसिएशन तांचो प्रॉडक्ट हाडटा तांच्यांनी असो हाडपाक जाय सो विच इज स्लीक. तातूंत सगळीं कामां जातात. रिजनेबल क्वॉलिटी आनी रिजनेबिलिटी जावपाक जाय तुका.